Hi guys, it's your friend Wise here once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, just hit the subscribe button and also the like button because you're going to like this video. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, this is what you're going to design in today's tutorial. We're just going to do this church flyer, this simple church flyer. So follow me as we start. Also, don't skip any part of this video because it is very necessary to watch every part of it. Okay, so let's just get started. Let's work with the background. Let's change it to white. Let's change the background to white. If you want to change the background, you just have to locate this folder. This is like a folder here. You tap on it and then you select the color you want from here, and then you can change the background from this side. So that is it. So we are just going to use a white color. Alright, so let's just get started. We are not going to keep long. So let's bring our background. As you can see, there are some a pattern in this background. So we are just going to import that pattern into it. So just watch, just bring in that pattern so that begin to work on it. All right, so I have created a folder for this. Where is it? Okay, so here is it. So these are the resources we'll be using, so we'll be picking them one after the other. So here you just tap on the square side because you are using a square background. So just do it this way and pick any portion of it, anyhow, anywhere. You just have to make it bigger, and then you do it this way. Then we are just going to work on the color because the background is white, so this won't match with the background. So let's just reduce the saturation to 0 and the brightness also to 0, and then you mark it here. So in order to do that, you just have to come here, we tap this sign here, we tap on it, and then you scroll to you find your color filter, which is here. This is a color filter. You tap on it, and then this is the hue. This changes color. Okay, let's bring in this thing so that you see what I'm talking about. So hue changes the color. As you can see, this is the original color, so hue just give it a different color. So you're not just going to use hue in this. So let's just reduce the saturation and the brightness and click on OK. Then we come to opacity. This is opacity here. You just have to tap on it, and then we reduce it. Maybe I think 5 would be okay. 5 will be okay. Then we move it to back. This is to back. This is to back. It will let this thing go back, the background go back. Then we tap where is it to back. To back. So it has gone to the back, and then we lock it. Yes, so we are done with that one. So let's just bring in this our guitar. Let's bring in our guitar. Now let's just import them. Hi. Sorry about that. Let's just import them on at a go. Let's just go and pick them. Let's just go and pick them. Where is it? Here you go. Then let's pick our guitar and then go back and pick. Let's pick let's pick this one too. and then I think that will be all. But let's check. Let's see what else we can pick. What else can we pick? I think that will be all. Let's pick the man of God, because this we will use it later on. This background we use later on in the test. So I think this will be all for now. So let's just hide them and work on the guitar. You can see there is this photo room symbol here, so you can just go back. You tap on this crop, tap on crop here, then you just have to adjust this here, then the photo room, this thing will be gone. Alright, so as you can see on this background, it's a bit darker, so let's just reduce this. Let's go to the same color filter. We tap on color filter, and then you reduce the saturation a bit, and then you reduce the brightness to a bit, and increase the contrast to a bit. So that is it. I reduce the saturation to -20, brightness to -25, and the contrast to 24. So that is it. And then you increase it a bit, you rotate it, you use this sign to increase and use this to rotate it. So let's just rotate it a bit here, then push it here. I think this is okay. Alright, so let's work on it again. Let's see. Alright, I think this one is okay, so let's just lock it. Okay, so let's bring in the logo and work on that one to just reduce it. This is just a fictional something, so just reduce it, and then you just write the name of the church, that is Christ. Redeem Christian Church. Yes, it's just a fictional something church, and I think I added something to it. Let me check what I added. Grace Temple. So let's just add the Grace Temple. So just capitalize them, and then let's change the background, the color to black. This is the gray color, so change it to black, and then let's work on the font. Where is the font? Let's work on the font. I use Nexa bold for that. Nexa bold. So that is it, and then you reduce it. I made it in 3/4. This temple. So this is how it is. Okay, so let's just give it a little bit padding in order to achieve it, just as I achieved mine. In order to make it 3, as you can see. I think, as you can see from here, it is quite a redeemed Christian church, but here it can't be done that way. I want the Grace Temple to also come down, so you can either do it this way, and then you can achieve it like this. Okay, I think this one is better. Let's forget about the padding and then reduce it. also. Then bring this one to closer. Let's bring alright. So I think let's increase the logo a bit. Yes, increase the logo a bit. Alright. So I think okay. And then you tap this side, and then you select the regime and the logo, and then you tap on this side, the one like iPad, the pad, notepad with a distance pencil on it. You tap on it, and then you select this one just to align them to the center. Alright, so this is the center of it. Then we are done with that one. So we are now going to write a praise day. That's the main thing. So just let's copy this and then write the praise, PRIZ, and then make it a bit bigger. Then the font I used is this one. That's the name of the font I used. Then let's make it a bit bigger, and then we'll do it this way. You see, let's make it a bit bigger, and then we close it. You use the line spacing. As you can see, there's spacing here and there's line spacing. So let's close it with the line spacing. You tap on it, and then you reduce it. I think negative 65 post is okay. Alright, so if you can see, let's bring it to front. As you can see from here, there's this whitish on the background. Like you can see, there's something like the color. You can see there's something like a texture on it. So let's just work on that first. Tap on it, and then you locate your texture here. You move here till you see the texture here. There's it. So in order to achieve this, you need not to give this one a color. So let's just tap on the texture, and then you select let's select it again, then go to texture, and then you tap on this. Then we go back to pick up the last one that was remained in the file. Tap on it. So just select this one. Okay, then just tap on it like this. As you can see, it has been, we have achieved the same effect. So you can just increase this one or adjust it anyhow you want it. I think 130 will be okay for me. We tap on it, then you bring it somewhere here will be okay, and then let's create a shape. Create a shape here. Alright, so we are going to use gradient. So from here, just you select your gradient, and then you just tap on this plus here. You tap on it, and this will be the default one. So you now change the alignment with the first one. We're going with the first alignment. Then tap on this. Come and tap here. Tap on this one to go and pick the color. So I'll be picking from the background. So I'll use this color picker. So tap on it, and I'll pick the red from this one. Alright, so that'll be okay. But if you want to use the color code, this is the color code FF1906. So yours When you come this portion, you just have to tap on this color code, then you paste it here, then okay, you achieve it. The same thing, you tap on it. Alright, so this same thing applies to this. Let's pick it. Alright, so this is it. This is what you want to achieve. So let's darken it a bit, and the color code is B50F00. B50F00. You tap on OK, and then we have achieved what we want. Okay, so we're just going to write the day on it using the same font. Copy it, and then you write your day. So we just have to come and we remove the texture from it. Remove the texture because we just copied it, so remove it, and then we change the color. With the texture, you can't change the color. Change the color to white, and then let's try to see if the line spacing is having an effect on it. No, so let's just decrease it, and then you decrease it once again, and then again. And let's make this simple. Alright, so just reduce this one to a bit. Alright, so I think this will be okay. No, let's adjust it. So that is how it is. You have to adjust it to your taste. Alright, let's increase the size a bit. Alright, I think this one is okay. So let's increase this space to it's okay like this. Oh, so I think it's okay like this. So let's just come here, and then you select this tool, and then the base. Then you come to this same place, and then you bring it to the middle. You align them to the center. Alright, and then you can see the written midweek service. So let's copy this and write midweek service. Midweek service. Capitalize or just bring it here. Then you just come, as you can see there are some intervals in them, so just come here. Then you go to your line spacing. Then you just increase it to 100. Alright, so let's bring this one here, and then let's lock this so that it will not interrupt us. So just increase it a bit. Well, so I find it difficult like this. You just have to use the size to increase it. Yes. You have to increase it more, decrease it a bit. To increase it a bit. Okay, let's see something. Yeah, so I'm just trying to achieve, I want it to be in line at both edge. or at both ends. So let's see if this one will be okay. Let's increase it a bit. Alright, I think this one should be okay. Alright, so because of time, let's just have to make it. Yes, so yours should be a perfect line. It should be in line with here and here. So because of time, I will not do or spend my time on it. So let's just unlock this man of God, and then we bring him here. Yep, let's crop it on this side. Alright, let's decrease it a bit. Alright, I think this is okay. So let's just bring this name to front, host, and copy this one. So write the host. Then I use a font called Dominic, DOMI, and this is font, no, not this. Yeah, this is it, Dominic regular. This is the font. So increase it a bit. So as you can see, some part is cutting off from the edges, so you just have to come and remove it using padding. So you also have to pad the seam edge here. Let's place it somewhere here, then let's copy this and write our email. This is just a fictional name, PSEMM. Right, so that is it. PST. So I just did this way, and then I centralize it. I came to alignment and I choose the center alignment, and then I just came to this background. As you can see, this background here, I tap on it and I enable it, change the color to red. I use, okay, let's pick from the background, the deeper side of it. Alright, so this is it. And then I came to the radius, and I think I made it up to 5. Okay, 10 is okay, and let's reduce it. And then I change the name. Let's log this. I change the color on it to white. And that is it. And then I left it somewhere here. This wouldn't be bad, but let's just do it this way. Yes. Okay. Alright, so let's add this information and we are done. Using this same font, we copy and then you write Sunday 30th June. on the thirtieth June. Capitalize. And then let's stretch it a bit. Alright, so just bring it somewhere here. I think let's bring this to the left side a little bit. All the words are moving to the right side of the design, so let's just bring them by selecting this day, midweek, and then the midweek praise. Then let's move them to this side a bit. Alright, I think this is okay. So let's bring this one to this side a bit. Alright, so the next thing is we just copy the day, copy this one, copy it, and then you bring it to this side. Let's reduce it a bit. Copy it. Let's copy this and write your 5 a.m. Let's bring this one a bit down. p.m. 5 p.m. Capitalize it. Then you place it. Let's just change the color. Change the color to white, and then you bring it on it. Position it well. And this is okay. Alright, so let's just copy this and then we write our Golf Street at Golf Street. Sorry about the background noise. Golf Street, yes. Oh, at Golf Street. Yes. Change the color to red, and then we are good to go. So let's push this. Let's reduce it a bit, and then try to move these two together. Alright, so that's it. And then we'll bring this, and then bring this one further down. I think the design is congested, so let's just reduce the praise in the midweek. There's no enough space. Praise midweek. Let's reduce the size a bit. No. Let me select them all. Where are they? Here's a page. The midweek. Let's do them manually since you're not achieving it how we want it. So let's just do it manually without using it. And then line spacing. Okay, let's make it 60 minus 61. Bring this one here. Yeah, so bring it down a bit and place this one on it. Now until you reduce it a bit, place it on it. And then you would use this one to just increase the size. I'm gonna push it to the top. Just increase it a bit to see if we can achieve it, just as we wanted it to be. Alright, so no. Let's try and use it a bit. Okay, I think this should be okay. And bring this one to the top. To the top. No. One, two, three, four, five. Remove the same pieces of this for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then bring this one to just closer to it. So this is how simple it is. Right, so let's just bring this one to the man of God and then the pastor Iva and the host. Let's bring them inside a bit. Alright, so I think this is okay. Alright, so guys, this is how it is to come up with this design. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, and also share with your friends to bless them. Alright, so let's meet in another video. Shalom.